In this video, I will show you how to calculate VAT in Microsoft Excel. So you need to use one formula. Equal sign, then select the selling price. Now star asterisk. So press Ctrl 8. Type this sign. Now opening bracket and select VAT. So before 1 plus VAT. So this is the formula now. Closing bracket, then press enter. So you will get this net price using this formula. Here you can sum the data. So type here alt equal and press enter. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.